paper aircraft. And this is the paper we need. You can take any paper, but it should be rectangle. So let's start. First, you need to make the paper and fold it into half. Now, after you fold it into half like this, you need to open it, and then you will get a line here. And you should make two triangles like this. So, can you give me the candle? Raise the cameraman.
Wait, 1 minute.
Okay, give.
Okay.
Here. Now, like this, we have this. One second, come here.
Again.
1 minute. Right now we have this line. You should fold it into a triangle like this. Show them.
Okay, I'm showing.
Okay, can you see the triangle?
But your hand is covering. You have to take out your hand.
Yeah, first I'll tell you. Wait, let me first do it. Okay.
Like that, okay? Like a triangle like that.
That's one side.
Okay.
Now the other side.
And now what we should do, you know?
Okay, now just show them how is it look. It should look like this, like a house.
Yeah,
With
like a
these two
house.
things folded.
Yeah, okay.
And now you need to fold these two like this. Can you see it?
Yeah.
See, you need to fold these two. Okay, now we got this. To make it perfectly aligned. Okay, now what you should do is now you have it like this, no?
It's like an envelope.
Kind of like an envelope, okay. And now you take this and do it like this. You should form kind of like a triangle here in the bottom.
Now easy peasy, we just fold that. That smallest triangle right
Now
there.
show them how it should look like. See,
I have to
the
zoom
small triangle is there.
Yeah.
That small triangle, you should fold it like this.
Just fold that there.
You
Done.
got it now?
Yeah.
Okay, now afterwards you should flip it over and you find this line where you folded it into half.
Yeah. Oh, right there.
And then you fold it here. You'll get like this, okay?
Okay.
You'll get like this.
Okay.
Get like this.
Okay.
Okay? Now you take this and bend it for the wings. So, okay.
On this side now, on
So
the other
one
side.
wing's over. Now the other wing.
Yeah.
So this is how it should look. See,
Oh, okay.
see, it should look like this.
Okay, we're giving it a test run now.
Okay, now this. Pointy towards the door. Now look. How will it go? Yeah. 1 minute. And now look, how will it go? That test run was failed because my mother just called me. And now we'll do the second one. Now look. Oh, it's still on the Lego one we used to build the TMC and HMC.
Yeah, the TMC and the HMC.
Let's do it again. Whoa.
Whoa.
It got stuck there.
Oh no, it's in our marble collection.
Yep. And this is my father's new cycle, by the way. He got it from CradiacBikes.com. And this is the box.
And we just did some little bit
Some design. Come on.
yeah.
Bring that.
Okay.
That's number 3.
No.
I mean, this might be 2 or 3. I didn't count properly. There.
Okay.
It went inside the box fort.
I didn't mean to crash inside a house in a house.
Okay, give it in the box fort you made. Okay, now let's throw it. It again went into the box fort.
The house or the box for
Okay, last test run.
the last one.
Wow.
It got stuck in the wheel. Bring it a little bit out.
It got stuck in this wheel. I just
Okay, you
put
got
a little forward. It got stuck in there.
Okay, so this is the end. And please like and like if you like this airplane and subscribe. And one more thing, you can even redesign and write some things here like your name and some designs. Okay, so bye.
Bye. Wait. I'm going to show you my new truck.
And one more thing, Wish got a new toy truck.
Yeah. New cycle, new toy truck.
Yep. Okay, so bye everyone.
Bye. Oh.
Yep, he's gonna tell bye.
Bye.
Yep, he was just acting like that. Okay. Bye.